Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Students, in our previous video, we have studied about OSIF. Now, in this video, we will solve some more problems based on OSIF. So, let us start exercise 14.4 with question number 2. Student, in this question, we have given that during the medical checkup of 35 students, their weight were recorded. Then what you have to do? You have to draw a less than type OSIF for the given data and also find the median from the graph. These two things you have to do. Now data is, you have given weight in kilogram. Data is less than 38, less than 40, then less than 42, less than 44, less than 46 up to less than 52. Means less than type already you have given, and also you have given corresponding cumulative frequency. It is 0, then 3, then 5, then 9, then 14, then 28, then 32, then 35. Student, you had already given the required thing which is required for the OSIF, that is less than type as well as cumulative frequency. So to draw the OSIF, you just write down the point corresponding to this. Here points will be 38, 0. So we will write the point in this column. The first point will be 38, 0. Next point will be 40, 3. The next 42, 5. The next 44, 9. The next 46, 14. The next 48, 28. Then 50, 32, and last you are having 52, 35. Student, you have to draw all these points on the graph. So to draw this graph, here you have two axes. One is x-axis and another is y-axis. Along this y-axis, you have to take the cumulative frequency, that is CF, and along x-axis you have to take the weight, that is weight, or it will of the type less than type. These things are there, right? Here you have taken cumulative frequency, on x-axis you have taken the weight. And you see here gap is 2, but the gap here is 38. So to neglect this gap, you have to take the kink symbol like this. Now what you will do, you have to draw this point what you have taken above. Here your first point is 38, 0. So corresponding to 38, 0, 38 is here, and corresponding to this 0 will remain same. So this is your first point. Then accordingly you have to move. Next point is 40, 3. 40 corresponding क्या है हमारे पास 3. So 40, 3. So according to this 40 you have to take number 3. 3 where it will be between 2 and 4. So you have to write it up to here. This point is 40, 3. The next point you are having 42, 5. So according to the 42, you have to move up to 5. 5 is between 4 and 6. So you will get this point like this. This point is 42, 5. The next point you are having 44, corresponding to this is 9. So corresponding to 44, it is 9. 9 is this point. Approximate this. Here you can write 44,9. Then next you have to move 46 corresponding to this is 14. So corresponding to 14 you have to take the number 46 like this. It is 44, 46 to 14, and in this way you have to move further. Then in this way you have to plot all these points. Then your next step, when after plotting all these points, this is your suppose y-axis. Now you have to join these points with freehand curve. That will be your OZ. So how you will join? You have to join it like this. Like this. In this way you have to move further. Now this is the OZ. Now second point is you have to find the median from the OZ. Now how you will solve this question? Median from the OZ. For that you have to see the sum of all the frequency, that is last term of the cumulative frequency. So what it is there? It is 35. So your n by 2. First thing is what you have to find out? You have to find out n is 35, so n by 2 will be what? It will be 17.5. This is your n by 2. Now what you will do? See your graph, the y-axis of the graph, and you have to search 17.5 on this graph. When you will just observe 17.5 will be between 16 and 18. It is here, approximate here. Now from here you have to see this point. From here draw the straight line with the help of scale in such a way that it cut the given line of the OZ like this. Then where it cut, corresponding to that you just come downside, and where it will meet you just come downside to that with the help of scale. You just move downside, and where it will come near 46 here, 46 here, 48, then 47 will be here, but it is between 46 and 47. So where you will reach? You will reach at, so therefore your median will be 46.5 kg. This in this way you have to find the median from the graph. But as well as except this, you have to find this median with the actual formula also. So that you have studied in your question number 1. So by formula also you can find out the median. And for that what thing is required? You required class interval as well as the frequency. So let us first make this table. So you have given the less than type, means less than type data you have given. First of all, convert this data into class interval. When you will convert this data into class interval, you see the gap here. Here gap of 2 to 2. So less than 38 can be written as 36 to 38. Then less than 40, it can be written as 40 to 42. Then next 42 to 36 to 38. Then it is 38 to 40, and next one is 40 to 42. The next 42 to 44. The next 44 to 46. The next 46 to 48. Then 48 to 50, and then last 50 to 52. Now you have given the cumulative frequency and you have to convert it into frequency. Student, you know that if you have to convert frequency to the cumulative frequency you have to add them, but if you have to convert cumulative frequency to the frequency, then you have to subtract. Here 0 will remain same 0, first term will be 3, so it will remain same. Now you have to subtract it consecutively. Here 5 minus 3 will be what? 2. Then again you will subtract in the same manner and you will get the next term. Now 5 minus 3, 3 will remain 3. Now 5 minus 3, 2. Now 9 minus 5, it will be 4. Then 14 minus 9, 5. Then 28 minus 14, it will be 14. Then 32 minus 28, it will be 4. Then 35 minus 32, it will be 3. So this is the corresponding frequency. So this is the method. Now here we have sum of all frequencies what? 35. Means sum of all these will be 35. So first of all you have to find the n by 2. And n by 2 will be what? Half of 35, that is 17.5. So search 17.5 in this data. So where it will lies? It will lies in this class. So student, 46 to 48 will be your median class. And here 46 will be L. Now 48 minus 46, that will be H. Your F will be what? 14. And CF will be what? It will be 14. This one 14. So these all are the all entries, and you have to use the formula for that, and you have to find the median yourself. So this method, as this such question you did in earlier also, so you have to try it yourself. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. In this question, statement is the table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its sources. Here you have to convert it into more than type. Student, as I had told earlier also, in more than type you have to use the lower limit. So first of all you have to write here like this: more than type. So in more than type you have to use the what? Lower limit. So what you will write? You will write, so you have to use a lower limit, and lower limit is included in the interval. So how you will start? You will have to write first of all more than or equal to lower limit, that is 50. Means why you are write equal to? Because here you are using the lower limit, and lower limit is also included in the interval. So you have to write more than or equal to. Then same you have to proceed more than or equal to. Next is 55. Then next more than or equal to 60. The next more than or equal to 65. The next more than or equal to 70. The next more than or equal to 75. Then last, for the last you have to use the upper limit also. Here more than or equal to 80. Now you have to convert this frequency into cumulative frequency. So for that, what you will do? Write the first one is same. Here you will write CF. Here first will be same, that is 2. Then you have to add it. Sorry, in more than type you have to start the frequency from the bottom. Here more than or equal to 80. Here nothing is there because more than 80, 80 is not included in this. So more than or equal to 80 is what? 0. Then in more than type you start making cumulative frequency from the bottom. Here first term is what? 16. So 16 will remain same. Now add it consecutively. So 16 plus 38. How much it will be? It will be 54. Then 54 plus 28. So how much it will be? 78. Now 78 plus 12. It will be 90. Now 90 plus 8. So 98. Now 98 plus 2. How much it will be? 100. So this is your CF. Then after you have to write the points. So what are the points here? It is, you have to write this 50 corresponding to 50. First point is 100, then 55, and corresponding to this is 98, and in this way you will get all the points. And then you have to draw these points on the graph as you have did in your previous question also. So this is for the day. Thank you.